Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Our gospel reading for today is one of the most profound readings, I think, in the entire gospel. Jesus says to his apostles that they should proclaim the most fundamental aspect of his message and his mission, that the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Another term for the kingdom of heaven is the reign of God. And so I think what makes this reading so profound is the signs that accompany the kingdom of heaven, the reign of God. Notice, first of all, that it doesn't have anything to do really with heaven. It's about things that go on here on earth. So, what are the signs of the reign of God here on earth? Cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the leper, drive out demons. In other words, take care of those people first whom everyone else wants to shun and whom most everyone else considers to be unacceptable. Do not take gold or silver or copper for your belts, no sack for the journey, or a second tunic, or sandals, or walking stick. In other words, don't place our trust in our possessions. Place our complete trust in God, the God who has brought us into the world and the God who will take care of us in this world. And it says also, as you enter a house, wish it peace. Peace is a sign of the reign of God. That peace, which represents the way God intended the world to be at the time of creation, a time when all are equal, all are working together, all have the chance to flourish in this life. It is our job to do as Jesus commanded to the apostles. It is our job here and now to proclaim that the kingdom of heaven, the reign of God, is at hand. And it is our job, our mission, to do as the apostles were commanded to do, to cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers, drive out the demons among us, and finally to proclaim God's peace throughout the world. I hope you have a wonderful day today.